In this tutorial, you'll learn how to customize the color and size of bulleted lists in Articulate Rise 360. First, open your course in Rise 360 and preview the slide. You'll notice that the bullet symbols appear in their default color and size. To make changes, click the Edit button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select the block of text that contains your bullet points, then open the Format ribbon and choose Bullet Style. To change the bullet color, select the bullet character in the text box. Choose a color from the palette or enter a hex code manually, then click OK. To change the bullet size, click Bullet Style again and select Size. Choose your preferred number value to adjust the font size. If you want to return to the original settings, click Reset to restore the default bullet size. Because bullets are treated as text, the color and size will apply directly. And that's it! You've successfully customized the color and size of bulleted lists in Articulate Rise 360. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.